going to explore today is some different options that you guys have to go towards your goal. You guys want to be singers, you guys want to be rappers, you guys want to be entertainers, you guys want to be investors, you guys want to be business people, you guys want to be all these great things, but how do I make this happen? That's the answer that we're going to get today, because in moving in that direction, you'll get closer and closer to your purpose.
What did you enjoy most about these sessions?
Well, I've learned a lot throughout the whole thing so far, and I just like that. I like the information he is giving me. He's giving everybody. It's making me realize a lot of things about myself.
If you decide to go to a community college, there are careers that you can get with just a community college degree or program that you can make a nice chunk of change. If you go to a bachelor's degree, so a 4-year college, of course, like I'm sure they selling y'all this all the time, that those people who just have a high school degree and those people who have the bachelor's degree, they make $1 million more than the people with just a high school diploma. They're gonna throw that stat at y'all. I don't know, well, let me not say that. They threw that stat at us. But they also didn't tell us that there were these other options that we're going to talk about, which also make a nice chunk of change.
Because at first I was unsure about what I wanted to do. Did I want to go to college? Or even if college was a good option for me, like after high school. But, you know, I didn't even know that there was as many options as it was that he listed. It was about 8 different other options other than college.
If you believe in yourself, even if you have no evidence, even if you come from a family where nobody in your family went to college, even if you come from a family where your parents are divorced, or you know, child's out of wedlock, you see that in your family, no matter what, if you believe that you can do it, and you are willing to, and you're living to eliminate the noise, eliminate the distractions, focus on the goal, and then fight like you really want it, you can achieve anything. All these dreams, you can make it happen.
Just listening to him talk, because he doesn't just do everything as far as, he doesn't talk about just school. He relates it to life. He also showed, like, if somebody doesn't want to go the college route, he showed us other routes that you can go, which could still help you get a consistent flow in money in life, fame, even that. But yeah, that could help a lot.
Again, I'm not getting in your personal business, but start looking at, like, what kind of life do you want? When you look up 5 years from now, when you look up 10 years from now, what kind of life do you want? If you could control it, do you want your life to be in a better circumstance? What does that life look like? As specifically as you can make it, as you can dream the dream, try to get as specific as you can with what you want that life to look like.
I think the sessions can help other students because you get to plan everything out. And I know some people are like, I don't want to plan stuff out, but really it helps and it'll get you on track. And you always want to be ahead of the game, so this can really help get you ahead of the game.
And if you take this serious, I promise you, write the vision, make it plain. I'm not trying to preach to you, I'm just telling you what I've experienced, what I know. You guys take this serious, you write down the plan, you write down your vision, you put real intentional thought into it, you can make everything that you write down a reality.